I'm better than you, bitch. I get it. I look good. I wash my hair. My contour's on fleek. I got this flawless face. But why you gotta stare so damn hard? What is up, you guys? It's Coco. So for today's video, we are gonna be starting a whole different segment of videos. This segment is called Supporting the Small Businesses in the Food Industry. We are gonna be doing a lot of pickup or deliveries as much as possible in my area, or if not in my area, hopefully they can all deliver. I'm gonna help out the food community. This is the least I can do. This is all I can think of that I can do, honestly, for our community. So people can like have knowledge of what food they want to eat, what they crave. It's still available out there if it's close to them, or where do they get it, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and you're staying inside your house. Alrighty guys, what is up? I'm so excited for today's mukbang because it's good food. This is from Lotus from Maple Grove, Minnesota. I'm from Minnesota. You guys know Lotus it's uptown. They closed down. Now they're in Maple Grove. Small business, yes. So what do I have here? I have the fresh spring rolls that has pork patty inside. Amazing. Like, who does that? And then they have their special Lotus wings, which has like basil, Thai chili, yummy. And then they have their special banh mi. It's not your regular banh mi. It's lotus banh mi. I think they just added egg. I got pork. Love pork. And then I just got a lo mein. Vietnamese food. We're doing Vietnamese food today. Alright guys, let's start. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten yet, so I'm really hungry. Alright, let's start with the noodles. I got this chicken lo mein. Mmm. That is so good. I love small business restaurants. It's just that. I feel like they put a lot of heart in their food, you know. Let's try this spring roll with pork patty inside. Dip it in the sauce. Mmm. I love this so much. You know why? It's because your regular spring rolls, fresh spring rolls, the Vietnamese spring rolls, has noodles inside, but this doesn't have noodles inside. It's all veggies and meat. And the fact that it has meat, and the meat is so good, it's like kind of like barbecue glazed pork kind of thing. And then veggies inside. It's so crispy. And like a whole bite of it is like full in your mouth. It's like a whole salad roll. And it's so flavorful. Like, what? I'm mad happy. And I got wings. Because you know me. I like a lot of meat. You guys, I just figured out my whole schedule thing. Just like today. Before I tell you that, I want a bite of this banh mi. Look how big this is. French baguette, egg inside, over easy. A lot of veggies, cilantro, cucumber, carrots. And inside there's pork. I don't want to open it because it's going to spill. But I'm excited. Let's do this. Mmm. Mmm. They added ham. The lotus banh mi, banh mi sandwich has ham. I'm not mad. I'm eating so much veggies today. Mmm. Let's try the wings. Looks amazing. Mmm. I need a moment. It took me a while to set this up because, you know, I'm extra careful on my delivery orders now. Take out the package, do it in my own package, wash my hands, throw it away. Make sure you throw it away outside. And this food is still like banging, like it just got in the table. Like this was kind of like 20 minutes old, but it's still so good. Whoa. The wings are like perfectly cooked, like crispy and meaty. Mmm. Okay, well. Oh my god. Honestly, one of my best mukbangs ever. It's my first time trying this restaurant out, honestly. I've never been to Lotus. That's a lie. I've been to Lotus when they were in Uptown and they had a pho. That's pretty much it. So I've never had like all their like food options. But I thought it was just okay, but whoa, this is good. Mmm. That's of pork. This is my favorite. Mmm. It's like a whole salad rolled so you can just like eat it so easy. It's fun to eat. It's like you get a mouthful of just like, oh my god, I cannot explain how good this is. Cheers. That rice wrap though, it's really chewy. But yum. I was talking about my schedule. You know how like my schedule starts around like 8 to 11. I go to the gym and red light therapy, and then I do mukbangs, and then I go to work at p.m. Now it's different. I wake up at 11 a.m. and then emails, bank, comments. I do all that till like 12, and then I work out around 1 to 2, and then 1 to 2 I work out around 1 to 2, and then shower. And then after I shower, it's already almost 4. Then my food gets delivered here at 4. So I do mukbangs now around like 4 to 6. So I eat once a day from 4 to 6 now. Not like 11 to 1. That's how my schedule changed. My body's still like adjusting to it. I can tell because I get nauseous. I feel sick after I eat like a lot from like 4 to 6. I feel like it's because you know how my body is used to me eating 12 to 1 and not eating again till the next day. So it's like right now I'm like in the process of getting used to my schedule. Eating schedule, workout schedule, and just this quarantine schedule is just fucking my body up. I don't like it. But the fact that I know that I can, like, watch a late night movie every night and not to worry about, you know, like a training in the morning or like nothing in the morning, kind of is okay, but I don't want to do it because it's fucking my body. You guys feel the same thing? Like, when you sleep around like 2 a.m. or 4 a.m., it's like they would fuck your whole body up the next day, the entire day. Like, you just feel so tired. That's how I feel. Oh my god, yes. I just want to eat today. I'm honestly getting full. Oh my gosh. Why? I need a vacuum down here. What are you guys eating today? You guys, I want you guys to comment down below if you guys are doing a lot of delivery to like DoorDash or Grubhub. Or do you still go and pick it up? I mean, there's nothing wrong in picking it up, but yeah, I just want to know if you guys are still doing like pickups or a lot of deliveries. Are you guys concerned about it? Like packages and deliveries? I'm honestly concerned about it. Like at night, sometimes when I feel sick, I'll be like, oh my god, this is because of the delivery. Like, I would think like that. But at the same time, I've always like read articles saying like there's no evidence. There's no evidence. The fact that there's no evidence and there's no news about it yet, that somebody like never went out of their house, they only had delivery, and then they had coronavirus. There's no such thing yet as like that, but I feel like there would be a chance if we're not careful. So I feel like you just have to be extra careful in everything right now. Honestly though, I don't like lo meins that have like a lot of veggies and chicken, like almost like there's no noodles. I like a lot of noodles and just like a little bit of veggies and chicken. It's always the middle part that's good in banh mi, because everything is in the middle. I think there's ham and turkey in this too. So good. My mouth is just so tired of chewing. I haven't drank like soda in like 2 days, which is good. We have a lot of soda, but I have just not been in the mood to drink soda lately. Drink a lot of water. I'm gonna save this later because it's so good. That's my favorite. If you go to Lotus, get the pork fresh spring roll. I forgot what it's called. It's called something else. It's called Nem Nuong spring roll. That's why. This is delicious. And everything is just like $40, I think. 40 plus tip, but that's cheap. Like wings, spring roll, lo mein. That's cheap. I need to wash my hands. Alrighty guys, I'm tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.